All right, let's get started on the script for our YouTube video titled BRR Method for Financial Freedom 2024, Ultimate Guide for Success. Hey there, are you ready to fast-track your journey to financial freedom? Well, today's your lucky day because we've got the ultimate guide for you. Introducing the BRRR method, the game changer for achieving financial freedom by 2024. This method is like a secret weapon that can propel you towards your financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. Let's face it, the road to financial freedom is often filled with obstacles. From saving up for a down payment to dealing with maintenance costs, traditional methods can be slow and tedious. But fear not, the BRRR method is here to revolutionize the game. Now let's dive into the core of the BRRR method. It's all about buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. Each step plays a crucial role in building your wealth and securing your financial future. Buying the right property, renovating it, renting it out, refinancing to unlock equity, and then repeating the process. That's the magic formula. Get ready to be inspired by real success stories of individuals who have used the BRRR method to achieve financial freedom in record time. These are ordinary people just like you and me who have unlocked extraordinary results by following this method. However, the BRRR method, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat, is a popular real estate investment strategy that can help individuals achieve financial freedom. As we enter 2024, understanding and effectively applying this method can offer substantial benefits in building a robust real estate portfolio and generating passive income. Here's a detailed breakdown of the BRRR method and how you can leverage for financial success this year. Step 1. Buy. The first step in the BRRR method is to purchase a property. The key to success here is finding a property at a price significantly below its market value. This is often achieved by looking for distressed properties, foreclosures, or homes that need substantial repairs. Tips for buying. Market research. Understand the local real estate market. Look for areas with potential for growth and high rental demand. Networking. Build relationships with real estate agents, wholesalers, and other investors to get leads on properties. Due diligence. Conduct thorough inspections to identify necessary repairs and estimate costs accurately. Financing. Secure financing through conventional loans, hard money lenders, or private money lenders. Ensure you have a clear plan for how you will fund the purchase and subsequent renovations. Step 2. Rehab. Once you've acquired the property, the next step is to rehabilitate it. The goal is to increase the property's value and make it attractive to potential tenants. Effective rehabbing can significantly enhance the property's market value and rental income potential. Tips for rehabbing. Budgeting. Create a detailed rehab budget that includes all potential expenses. Stick to the budget to avoid overspending. Prioritization. Focus on improvements that add the most value, such as kitchen and bathroom upgrades, new flooring, and modern fixtures. Hiring professionals. Work with reputable contractors and ensure the work is completed to a high standard. Timeline. Set a realistic timeline for the rehab process and manage the project efficiently to avoid delays. Step 3. Rent. After rehabbing the property, the next step is to rent it out. The goal is to find reliable tenants who will provide a steady stream of rental income. This income will be crucial for covering mortgage payments and other expenses while building your equity in the property. Tips for renting. Market analysis. Determine the optimal rental price by analyzing comparable properties in the area. Screening tenants. Conduct thorough background checks, including credit history, rental history, and employment verification, to ensure you find reliable tenants. Lease agreements. Draft a comprehensive lease agreement that clearly outlines the terms and conditions of the rental arrangement. Property management. Consider hiring a property management company if you prefer a hands-off approach, or manage the property yourself to save costs. Step 4. Refinance. Refinancing is a crucial step in the BRRR method. Once the property has been rehabbed and rented, you can refinance the property to pull out the increased equity. This involves replacing your original loan with a new mortgage based on the property's new appraised value. Tips for refinancing. Appraisal. Get a professional appraisal to determine the current market value of the property. Loan options. Shop around for the best refinancing options, including interest rates and loan terms. Cash out refinance. Consider a cash out refinance, which allows you to take out a new mortgage for more than you owe on the property and pocket the difference. Loan approval. Prepare all necessary documentation, including proof of rental income and property value, to streamline the loan approval process. Step 5. Repeat the final step in the BRRR method is to repeat the process. Use the funds obtained from the refinance to purchase another property and start the cycle again. Repeating this process allows you to exponentially grow your real estate portfolio and passive income. Tips for repeating. Scalability. Ensure your strategy is scalable and sustainable. Avoid over-leveraging and maintain a healthy balance between debt and equity. Continuous learning. Stay updated with real estate trends, market conditions, and new investment opportunities. Networking. Keep building and nurturing your network of real estate professionals, lenders, and contractors. Diversification. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different property types or locations to spread risk. Benefits of the BRRR method. Wealth building. The BRRR method allows you to acquire multiple properties, increasing your asset base and net worth. Passive income. Renting out properties generates a steady stream of passive income, contributing to financial independence. Equity growth. By rehabbing and refinancing, you continuously increase your equity in each property. Tax advantages. Real estate investments offer various tax benefits, including deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. Leverage. Using borrowed funds to finance property purchases and rehabs allows you to leverage other people's money to build your wealth. Challenges and risks. While the BRRR method offers significant advantages, it also comes with challenges and risks that must be managed effectively. Market volatility. Real estate markets can be unpredictable, and property values can fluctuate. Conduct thorough market analysis to mitigate this risk. Rehab costs. Unexpected repair costs can exceed your budget, affecting your overall profitability. Always have a contingency fund. Tenant issues. Finding reliable tenants and managing rental properties can be time-consuming and challenging. Proper screening and management practices are essential. Financing risks. Securing financing, especially for multiple properties, can be complex. Maintain a good credit score and build strong relationships with lenders. Regulatory changes. Changes in property laws, tax regulations, and lending policies can impact your investment strategy. Stay informed about regulatory changes and adapt accordingly. Case study. Applying the BRRR method in 2024. Let's consider a hypothetical case study to illustrate the application of the BRRR method in 2024. Scenario, location Austin, Texas. Purchase price $150,000 for a distressed property. Rehab costs $50,000. Total investment $200,000. After rehab value, ARV $300,000. Rental income $2,500 per month. Step-by-step breakdown. Buy. Identify a distressed property in a growing neighborhood in Austin, Texas. Purchase it for $150,000 using a combination of personal savings and a hard money loan. Rehab. Spend $50,000 on renovations, focusing on modernizing the kitchen and bathrooms, updating flooring, and improving curb appeal. The rehab takes 3 months to complete. Rent. Once rehabbed, market the property for rent. Conduct thorough tenant screening and secure a reliable tenant at $2,500 per month. Refinance. After 6 months, get the property appraised at $300,000. Opt for a cash-out refinance at 75% loan-to-value (LTV), resulting in a new loan of $225,000. Pay off the original loan and pocket the difference to reinvest. Repeat. Use the cash-out funds to purchase another distressed property and repeat the BRRR process. Outcome. Initial investment, $200,000. New loan amount, $225,000. Equity gained, $75,000. ARV of $300,000 minus new loan of $25,000. Monthly cash flow, $20,000 rental income minus mortgage payment and expenses. Next steps. Purchase another property with the cash-out funds and continue building the portfolio. The BRRR method is a powerful strategy for achieving financial freedom through real estate investment. By effectively buying, rehabbing, renting, refinancing, and repeating the process, investors can build substantial wealth and generate passive income. In 2024, with a proactive approach, diligent planning, and strategic execution, the BRRR method can be a key component of your financial success. In summary, the BRRR method offers a clear path to financial freedom by 2024. By following the steps diligently and consistently, you can pave the way to a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. It's all about taking action and staying committed to the process. Now it's your turn to take the first step towards financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable financial tips and share your success stories with the BRRR method in the comments below. Together, we can all achieve financial freedom by 2024. Let's do this.